Hello beautiful souls, Kim Crystal here and welcome to today's video. I hope you guys are all doing super well. It has been many months since I last saw you guys and I've missed you genuinely so much. It has been a very difficult and interesting year for me. I haven't been able to film videos or continue my life as I would have wanted to this year because I have had a few health issues that have made me exceptionally sick, and they are getting better, but that's all I really have to say because I don't want this video focused around me. But I just would like to say to you guys, I have missed you, and if I could have been here, I would have been here for you guys. So that's about it. If you guys would like a separate video on that, I will do that as well for you guys. But a lot has happened since I saw you last. So I graduated from university. That's about it, honestly. It was a lot of work to do all that study, but it is done now. So I'm officially a graduate now, which is really exciting, and now I'm doing my next degree. So, oh my gosh, it's so much work. If you guys can relate to study, it's a labor of love for sure. But yes, I have a whole bunch of new exciting videos coming out on this channel. So if you are new, please like and subscribe. And yeah, let me show you what we made in today's video. So this is this absolutely beautiful and really intricate crystal dream catcher. So we've got beautiful amethyst crystals, clear quartz, pyrite. We've actually got probably more than 10 different crystals here. I love this amethyst down the bottom. It's absolutely beautiful. And then also I have this golden thread weaved web. So this is integrated with 24 karat gold. So this is a really expensive dream catcher to make. But if crystals and gold is special to you, then you know what, sometimes you do have to spend more money on high quality items. But these crystals are just absolutely beautiful. I love this piece and I hope you guys do too. This Dreamcatcher will be up for sale on my website, so if you guys would like to secure one of these for you, check out the link in the description box down below and in the comments section. Just a note, with everything in my online store, it's all custom made and handmade, so if you would like this made in any color, I can make that for you as well. So check out my Instagram and I will have the links all in the description box as well. I hope you guys enjoy this video and let's jump straight into it. The very first thing I have done is I have laid out the crystals in the shape and the design I would like them to be in. But what I want to do is I want this background to actually have a gold tint. So I just picked up some of this British Paints gold spray paint. So I'm going to spray this wooden frame before I start sticking on the crystals. So I'm going to do that and hopefully it doesn't take too long to dry. I'm going to use a hot glue gun to stick on the crystals. Please, please, please put this on an anti-flammable surface if you are using a hot or electric material. We do not want you to set fire to anything. I'm just going to start by the top one because I want that to be the main piece of the Dreamcatcher thing that I'm making. So yeah, I'm gonna start.
This ain't for the best. My reputation's never been worse, so you must like me for me. We can't make any promises now, can we, babe? But you can make me a drink. Dive by on the east side, where you at? Phone lights up my nightstand in the black. Come here, you can meet me in the back. Dark jeans and your Nikes, look at you. Oh damn, never seen that color blue. Just think of the fun things we could do. Cause I like you. This ain't for the best. My reputation's never been worse, so you must like me for me. Yeah, I want you. We can't make any promises.
So I just finished weaving the golden web that I'm going to put in the center of the crystal ring. That's how it looks. If you guys would like a tutorial on how to weave a web, just click the videos on my YouTube channel. I've got heaps of Dreamcatcher tutorials and then you can learn how to make this. So that's done. I'm gonna go put it in. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video on how to make this crystal Dreamcatcher. If you guys would like to learn how to weave the Dreamcatcher web, feel free to check out my YouTube channel. I have so many different videos on how to weave a Dreamcatcher web in multiple different patterns, so check that out as well. And I have so many new exciting videos coming out on this YouTube channel, so please subscribe and check them out, and I cannot wait to see you guys next time. Love you lots. Bye!